Are you ready for money, massive financial wealth, prosperity and abundance to overflow into every area of your life right now? To flip the switch into God mode so the things you are chasing start chasing you and you become a magnet for absolute and total abundance that is your birthright. In this video, we're going to activate and just allow the natural flow of total prosperity and abundance that is already yours. When you watch this video all the way to the end and align your frequency with the vibration of wealth, love, prosperity, absolute abundance and joy, magic will happen in your life. But the truth is, it's not really magic. It's just a mathematical equation of the universe. My name is Gareth, and I'm a manifestation guide and subconscious reprogramming expert. I have been personally mentored by a world-famous Himalayan yogi spiritual master, and I have helped hundreds of people to manifest happiness, joy, and abundance into their lives. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to help you activate a powerful frequency of abundance that will ripple into every area of your life. So stay focused. If you watch this video all the way to the end, calmly, stay focused and repeat these words with me, you will be astounded at what unfolds in your life in the coming days. But remember, it only works if you really feel it. I want you to come into this moment with me and experience absolute calm, because money is energy and money loves calm. When you're worrying, anxious, worried about how and where the next money is coming from, you activate the sympathetic nervous system, which is fight or flight, and your body seizes up. You go into survival mode, and it's impossible for energy to flow smoothly through your vessel. So by relaxing in pure faith and trust into this moment with me, and just focusing on my words, opening your heart, aligning your brain and heart coherence with the message in this video, you'll become a beacon for absolute abundance and prosperity. 2 words that I really want you to embody for this video: calm and neutral. You're saying it like you're talking to a friend. The universe responds when you say it with faith and trust. When you stand up pumping your fist, it causes resistance, almost like you don't really believe it. If you were going to ask someone a small favor, like make you a drink, would you jump up and pump your fist in the hope that it would make them go and get you a drink? Or would you just calmly ask, knowing that it was going to come to you? This is where so many people go wrong with manifestation, the law of attraction, and especially money, because money is energy and it likes to move. When you become still and present, money will attach to you. You become magnetic. Most people are chasing money. What happens when you chase a squirrel? It runs away, right? If you stand still, stand perfectly still, that squirrel will come up to you. Or it's like trying to catch a fish in a lake. Imagine trying to grab a fish. This is what happens with money. It moves away from you. And when you're in this clingy vibration, you cling too hard and it squirts out of your hand like a bar of soap. So we're going to become magnetic in this video by staying calm, present, and absolutely certain that massive wealth and abundance is on its way to you. Are you ready to activate money, massive wealth, happiness and abundance in your life right now? Then stay focused, because we're about to dive right in. I'm going to share some powerful affirmations with you, and I want you to repeat them after me in the gaps. But before we get started, I want us to activate this calm sense of presence using the breath. Think of the word abundance. What is abundance to you? Is it sitting by the beach in Hawaii? Is it sitting on the beach in Barbados? Is it sipping your favorite cocktail at your favorite restaurant? Is it shopping for your favorite clothes? Is it just being present with the people you love most? Is it a new house? Is it a Lamborghini? You're allowed to have all those things. Is it just an organic smoothie? I just want you to think, just for a moment, what abundance actually means to you. And I want you to attach some of these thoughts to the word abundance before we get started with the breath. We're going to take 3 big, slow, deep breaths. We're going to inhale absolute abundance. All the things that you just attached to that word, we're going to breathe all that in calmly through the nose as deep as we can so you feel your diaphragm expand. You're going to hold for 5 seconds and then slowly exhale any resistance and let go into the seat. We're going to do this 3 times. So let's get started with the breath. Let go. And again. Let it all go. Make a sigh if you need to. Really let go into the seat. One more time. Let it all go. Ground in the present moment here with me now. Now that we're in a calm, relaxed state, I'm going to say some powerful affirmations and I'm going to leave a gap so that you can repeat after me. And we're going to say it so calmly, so relaxed. We're having fun right now. The truth is, we don't want to be anywhere else because you're happy right now. When you signal to the universe that you're good and you're present and you're happy, that's when you really become attractive. I'm going to get started right now. I can feel unlimited abundance overflowing into my reality. Every cell in my body vibrates at the frequency of wealth and prosperity. Total abundance is activated in my DNA right now. Money flows to me effortlessly in expected and unexpected ways. I have been chosen for limitless supply. I am the vessel for unlimited money and prosperity. Opportunities appear that I never could have imagined. Every financial situation is always working out for me. Thank you for showing me that all my financial issues have been solved. Thank you for showing me that all my financial issues have been resolved to my advantage. I was built for expansion, and abundance is my birthright. Life bends to the frequency of my new belief. I don't chase money, money chases me. Every time I breathe in pure abundance. Unexpected blessings are flowing into my world right now. My future is filled with abundance. Sudden wealth is on its way to me right now. What used to feel difficult now feels natural and easy. I am a money magnet. I am a magnet for financial miracles. My heart is overflowing with gratitude. I never worry about money anymore because I know it's on its way to me right now. My new identity of total abundance is locked in right now. I walk as the highest, most abundant version of myself right now. It feels so good knowing that my financial issues have now been solved. It feels so good knowing the universe is already delivered. Absolute abundance activated. Overflow, overflow, overflow of absolute abundance into my life. Thank you for showing me that all my financial issues have now been solved. Thank you for the infinite supply. Thank you for the miracles rushing into my life. It is done. It is done. It is done. Well done. You just shifted to a whole new timeline where financial abundance finds its way to you effortlessly. Now, to really lock this in, comment below abundance activated. Save this video whenever you see it and repeat for the next 3 days. But if you're seeing this close to the day of it being released, it's a very auspicious time for financial abundance right now because it's a partial solar eclipse and the universe will deliver your abundance even faster. Make sure you share this with someone you love because abundance is for all of us, right? I hope you enjoyed that as much as me. Please hit like, hit subscribe, and if you would like to see how I've helped hundreds of people to manifest massive abundance in their life, you can check the link in the description and book a call with me if you feel like it resonates with you. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.